Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to see and share your Spotify Iceberg. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. So first of all, open any browser and type here Icebergify.com, and once you in this page, tap on create your, and now log in into your Spotify account here. Scroll down and tap on agree. So here you will get your Spotify Iceberg. I'm not a regular user, so my Iceberg is empty, so that's why you can see Iceberg. And to share your Iceberg, you will need to save the Iceberg. So tap and hold the image and tap on download image, and once you downloaded your Iceberg to your device, you can upload your Iceberg on your social media like Facebook, Snapchat or Instagram. So that's how you can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5-minute solution. Thank you for watching.